This is how the headlight looks after 800 grit sandpaper for about 10 minutes. So you can see in this one the yellowing in the headlight, and you see in this it's a bit cloudier but the yellowing's gone, so that's after 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is do the other side and then go to 1200 grit sandpaper. So what you need to do is take the rubber up here, tape off the edge of the side of the light there, and also remove this trim, which is this bit here. So first thing to do is pull this off here, pull all the tabs out, as many as you can. And then you want to take this tab out here, right, help with a screwdriver. And lose the little screw, which you can see, but I'll pick it out of there. Put that somewhere safe, and we'll find it again. And then pull the first bit of the clip out here, and then the screwdriver, put it along here and just gently pull it out. Some of them pop out, some don't. Just got a bit more, you got more force. So you need to mask up this bit here. So if you mask that up, and then you can start sanding, push this up here, out the way, round there. And what you want to do is clean off this stuff at the top, because when you're sanding it'll then turn into a muck dirt that you don't want on the light when you're sanding it. You want to take this stuff off. Down here, and you can see how the headlight should look here compared to this. So we'll just get the masking on just a minute. And one more bit over the wing. You just tuck it into the lip there. That, and then from there. And then liberally and once I get that sandpaper, I'll rub this down and then do the next second part in the video.